Okay, let us continue to solve the characteristic of the general form y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. This time we're going to get the vertex. Now, what will be the formula for the vertex? Vertex is equals, or shall we say, negative b over 2a, comma 4ac minus b squared all over 4a. So we have to follow this formula to get the vertex. Okay, now, the value of b is negative 3. It's minus negative 3 tapos 2, and that is 1. That is 1. And then that is 4 times 1 times 2. 4 times 1, 8 times 2 minus this is 3. So that is 3 squared all over 4 times 8. Yeah. So vertex is equals to, this will become positive 3, then 3 then 2, and this is 8 minus 9, then this is 4. Okay, what else? 3. This is 3 over 2. And this is negative 1, 4. So your vertex is 3 over 2. 3 over 2. And this negative 1. Okay. So if we're going to draw this, okay, this is negative 1, 2. Your x-intercepts is 1, so 1 and 2. And in y-intercept is 2, x-intercept is 1 and 2, and your vertex is, this is 1.5, yan, 1.5, yan, 1.5 siya, 1.5, and 1.5 yan, 1, then 1.5, it's your vertex, and 1/4, parang nandito. So, maaring nandyan. So, if you're going to sketch your graph, so it's probably going like this one. So that will be, maybe this is the sketch of the graph of your equation. Y is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2. That can be based on the characteristic that we have drawn. Now what about for the domain? Since this is not actual, this is a polynomial. So the domain of this or that equation is the value of x are all real number. Now, how to find the value of range? The value of range actually is what we call, we're going to look at this one, and that will be the range. So how to write this one? So y is greater than equal to negative 1/4 because the value of your a is greater than 0. So depending on the situation, look at your book, how to solve for that domain. So, ito lang yan. If it is less than 0, papalitan mo lang yan. So, you try to here y is greater than equal to negative 1. So, that will be the value of your range. Okay, this time, we're going to find the equation of the quadratic equation in general form given the table of values. So these are the table of values. These are the points actually in the graph. Now, is it possible to find the general term of that equation for this? The answer is yes. So by taking out the values. So that gets first 3 points. Let's solve first for 0. Okay. Then we're going to use the standard form. We have y is equals to x squared plus bx plus c. And we're going to substitute the value of x and y. So our y is 5. Then this is our x is 0 squared plus b, then 0 plus c. So this is 5 is equals to, actually this is 0 and this is 0. So any number or any variable, then 0 is 0 and this is c. So the value of c is 5. This is equation 1. Now, that's for first point. Let's get the second point for 1, 0. 1, 0. So again, the general form is y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus is. So this is a. So the value of y is 0 and the value of x is 1. So this is a, then 1 squared plus b times 1. The value of c is 5 plus 5. Yeah. So this is 0 is equals to, this is 1, or shall we say this is a plus b is equals to 5. Then, not equals, but plus. Then transpose natin yung 5 sa kabila, so this can be also written as a plus b is equals to negative 5. Okay, that will be your equation number. That's your equation number. Now, let's get the third point. Third point is 2, negative 3. Yeah, 2, negative 3. So again, this is y is equals to ax squared plus bx c. Okay, so y is negative 3. Your x is 2 squared plus b times 2 plus your c is 5. Ayan. So this is negative 3 is equals to a times 4 plus 2b plus 5. Okay, so this is negative 3 is equals to 4a plus 2b plus 5. Then, suppose natin sa kabila yung 5, so negative 3 minus 5 is equals to 4a plus 2b. So rewriting this, you have negative 8 is equals to 4a plus 2b. Or shall we say, this can be written as 4a plus 2b is equals to negative 8. And that will be your equation number 3. Okay. Now, we are going to use the elimination method for equation 2 and 3 to get the value of. Now, we are done getting the value of getting the equations. So we're going to use elimination method between equation 2 and equation 3. So equation 2 is a plus b is equals to negative 5. And equation 3, that's 4a plus 2b is equals to negative 8. So in elimination, we're going to multiply the upper part by negative 4 to eliminate a. So this can be written, as negative 4a minus 4b, and that is equals to 20. And the lower part can be written as 4a plus 2b is equals to negative 8. So all we have to do is to cancel this one. This is negative 2b is equals to 12. So the value of b here, dividing one side by 2, and dividing one side by 2, negative 2b is equals to 12, is equals to 12. That is, and then divide one side by negative 2, cancel yan. So b is equals to negative 6. So that's for b. Now, let us solve for the value of a using equation number 1, that a plus b is equals to negative 5. So a minus 6 is equals to negative 5. So a is equals to negative 5 plus 6. So your a here is equals to 5. That will be the value of a, the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. Now let us construct our equation in the form y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. And so the value of a is 1. So x squared na lang. The value of b is, so balik b, negative 6. Negative 6x, and the value of c is 5. So that will be your equation. Okay?